It's not working, no, please. Can you kindly help me by fixing it, please?
Hey! Your phone needs emergency surgery. Buta. Get your screwdriver. Scissors.
Yeah!
Tape.
Yeah!
Hammer. Your phone is not doing well. Is your phone I positive? So I'll be connecting your phone to another I positive phone. So it will go undergo a blood transfusion. Sorry, a transfusion. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. My phone is working.
Thank you. Can I have it?
So you need to charge it for 3 hours, then you're done.
Hans, what is this?
But your phone is an iPhone, so it's I positive.
Jesus!
It's iTel. iPhone, iTel. I
Jesus
positive.
is
You
Lord!
are so dead.